This 2024 Grand Design Solitude 380 Florida is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features a linen interior, sleeps 6, microwave, smoke detector, air conditioning, awning, refrigerator, external shower, skylight, LP detector, oven, leveling jacks, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Solitude 380 Florida is 14,866 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.